Well, it is quite the bittersweet moment right now. The Lord has blessed me this morning here in Colorado. Got here yesterday, and this is my first morning hunting, but this is my last time doing this, 2024. Very bittersweet on a beautiful Colorado Merriam's. He did it right this morning, and it's quite the way to finish up turkey season, my spring sojourn. Cannot believe that it's finally coming to an end. I've had quite the season, quite the experience traveling the country, so I'm thankful, blessed by the Lord.